What's up guys, Jason here. In this video I'm going to be teaching you how to make a simple and efficient Minecraft crop farm. This farm works on 1.21 and on both Minecraft Bedrock Edition and Minecraft Java Edition. This farm can be used to produce a lot of potatoes, carrots, wheat, or beetroot. For this farm you'll need 2 chests, 1 hopper, 2 water buckets, 9 pistons, 2 redstone repeaters, 30 redstone, 1 lever, 6 torches, 3 slabs. You can use any type of slab that you want, 38 glass blocks, 8 ladders, about 3 stacks of dirt blocks, and finally about 5 stacks of solid blocks. You can use any type of solid block that you want. A couple examples of solid blocks are smooth stone or cobblestone. The first step is to break 5 blocks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now place 2 chests over here. Then crouch down and place a hopper at the spot. Make sure the nozzle of that hopper is pointing that way towards that chest. The next step is to place 9 dirt blocks over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then place 7 dirt blocks over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After you have done that, fill in that outline with dirt blocks. Once you have created that dirt platform, go over here. Then place a solid block over here and a dirt block at the spot. Now place 8 dirt blocks over here. Then place 6 dirt blocks over here. Now fill in that outline with dirt blocks. After you're done with that step, place a block over here and a dirt block on top of it. Then place 8 dirt blocks over here. Now place 4 dirt blocks over here. Then fill in this outline with dirt blocks. Those dirt block platforms are where crops will be planted in this farm. The next step is to go back to the front of the farm. Now place 8 solid blocks over here. Now place 24 blocks over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After you have placed those 24 blocks, place 4 blocks over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now fill in that outline with solid blocks. After you are done creating that wall, go to this side of the farm. Then place 25 solid blocks over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After you have placed those 25 blocks, place 4 blocks over here. Now fill in that outline with solid blocks. Once you are done creating that wall, place 9 blocks over here. Then place 9 over here, and 9 over here as well. Then create a wall over here like this. Once you have done that, temporarily place 11 blocks over here. Then break these blocks. Now go down here. Then place a piston at each of these spots. Make sure all those pistons are facing downwards. Those pistons will control the water harvesting system in this farm. Now place 9 blocks over here. Then break these 11 blocks. The next step is to place a lever over here and 15 redstone over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. After you have done that, place a redstone repeater at the spot. Make sure the 2 prongs of that redstone repeater are facing that way. Then place 5 redstone over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now place a redstone repeater at the spot. Make sure the 2 prongs of that redstone repeater are facing that way. Then place 10 redstone over here. After you have done that, flick this lever down. As you guys can see there, that should cause all the pistons to extend. At this point, create an infinite water source somewhere near the farm. To do that, go to one side, then place blocks in this formation. Now place water over here and water over here. By creating that infinite water source, you will be able to use 2 buckets to fill in all the water for this entire farm. Now place water at each of these spots. That water will automatically harvest all of the crops in this farm. The next step is to break this center block. Now place 2 blocks over here and water over here. Then place a slab at this spot. Then count down 6 blocks from this spot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now break this block. Then place a block over here and water at this spot. Now place a slab over here. The next step is to count down 7 blocks from this spot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now break this block. Then place water over here and a slab over here. That water will provide water for the crops on this platform. Once you're done with that step, place water over here. That water should flow over to that hopper. It will push all the crops that fall into that trench over to the hopper. At this point, fill in and break the infinite water source. The next step is to place 2 glass blocks over here. Now place 9 glass blocks over here, and 3 glass blocks over here. Then fill in the remainder of that wall with glass blocks. The next step is to go to this side of the farm. Then place 5 ladders over here. Now go in here. Then place 3 ladders over here. Those ladders will allow you to easily access this part of the farm. At this point, till all the dirt or grass blocks in this farm. Once you're done with that step, the farm should look like that. As you guys can see there, over time the tilled dirt blocks will become watered. Now plant the crops you want to grow in this farm. You can plant wheat seeds, beetroot seeds, potatoes, or carrots. Once you're done planting all the crops, place a torch at each of these spots. Those torches will provide light so that the crops will grow even when it is nighttime. I am now going to do a quick fly around so you can check and make sure I've made this crop farm correctly. The front should have this collection system. Over there should be the crops. This side should have this redstone. The back should have the water and the pistons. Finally, this side should look like this. I am now going to show you all how to use this farm. To use it, first wait for the crops to fully grow. Once the crops are fully grown, flick this lever up. That will unleash that water so that it harvests all the crops. The crops that are harvested will then get pushed by the water stream over here. This water stream will then push all the crops over to that hopper. The hopper will then funnel the crops into this collections chest. After the crops have been harvested and pushed over there, flick this lever back down. That will cause that water stream to go away. Whenever you want to collect the crops that were harvested, you can open this chest. To use this farm again, plant some more crops on the tilled dirt blocks. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make this simple and efficient Minecraft crop farm. Please like, comment, subscribe, and check out my other Minecraft videos. Thanks for watching.